Welcome to the in front of me Oppo Reno 10 Zoom, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Now just scroll a little bit down to the notification sound section. Now as you can see we got the glass harp. Just tap there, and here we can select one from our sounds from these. Electronic, marimba, and classical guitar. Also we can here select our custom sound from our device if we got some music on our device, or for example download it from the internet or from the Google Drive, for example. And also here we got all our available just default sounds. I'll go with the default one, because how to select and set up the custom notification sound, we got the another video on our HardReset YouTube channel, so you can watch it. And now just for example we'll go with the harp one, and now just to see the changes, go back, and as can you see we just successfully changed our notification sound. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.